Hello, this is Jeremy Droppel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a web form or lead capture form using your Aweber membership. If you use a Aweber autoresponder system, this will be helpful for you in setting up a capture form or web form for your web pages or your blog, or if you got splash pages that you use on traffic exchanges and things like that. So basically what we're going to be making will look something similar to what you see on the screen right here. This is a capture form or lead capture form on another website. We're going to set up a basic one that's going to be a lot smaller for this than this one is, and then we're going to show you how to grab the HTML code for the form so that you can put that code onto your website. And this is a very highly recommended thing to do if you want to build your own list online, and if you're really going to be successful online, you need to start doing this right away if you're not already. So here we go. We're going to hop over here to Aweber. So go to aweber.com, log into your Aweber account. I'm going to go ahead and click log into my account here, and I'm setting up a brand new form live for you here today. So if you go up here, you want to go to the list that you're setting the web form up for. I'm going to go here, and so whatever list that you have, if you're not sure how to create your own list yet, there will be videos later that I will do showing you how to create a list, but it starts with going right here, create and manage a list, and then this green button right here, create a new list, and then you just follow through the steps. It'll walk you through how to set up a new list, but for right now we're just going to go through how to set up a web form. So I'm going to go back to the screen that you would be on right after you log in, and pick the list that I'm going to build the web form for, and I'm going to go and pick this one right here. And once we have that selected, I'm going to click right over here on web forms, and it's going to take us to the web form page. And this right here, this is just saying that I haven't set up my what happens when somebody opts in, and for the double opt-in you got to customize your new subscriber verification message. So if you have your list set up, you probably have this done already. We're just going to ignore that for right now. So we're going to click right here, create a new web form. Click that button there, and it's loading up right now. It's going to bring a screen up that looks similar to this. You're going to see all kinds of different templates that you can choose from here. For right now, I'm just going to use the standard template right here, and see edit header, and this is going to allow me to type in some words here and everything. And we're going to go look for, see if I can change this background color here. It's not letting me change it, so I'm going to not worry about changing the background color right now. We're going to click right here, and I can type in some words right here, something like get your free report with step by step instructions on how to become financially free working from home. And we're just gonna, this is just showing you how to do this. I mean, you're gonna obviously want to play around with this a little bit, pick a different template. There's all kinds of them here that you can choose from. And I'm going to hit save right here. And I did notice while I was typing there, right here is where I can change the background color of that. So I'm going to go ahead and click that right here, click that right there, and I want to go with a white background color, so I'm going to click up here in the corner, and that's going to, you'll notice here that that changed this right here. And because that I typed the words in white, we're going to have to change the font color, so I'll hit that there, and it may make us oh, there it is. I can see it right back here in the background now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. That's going to change the color there. And this is what I do when I'm doing things like this. I just play around with it. You're going to have to tinker with a little bit, make it work for what you're trying to do, and don't get frustrated. Just, you know, this instructions right here will get you started down the path to creating a web form for your web page, your blog, whatever you're gonna put the web form on. So we're gonna go ahead and hit save again, and there you go. That's, we're seeing right now kind of what our web form is gonna look like right now. It says get your free report with step-by-step instructions on how to become financially free working from home. If you want to change that a little bit more, I'm gonna hit edit here again, and we could do something like highlight that. I'm holding my left mouse button down and highlighting the text. We may want to center it. I like the way this looks over here. I like this better than what we had previously, so I'm going to save that again. Okay, and then the next thing, the name, we're definitely going to want to capture the person's name and email address so that we can and where it is that you're offering for if somebody opts into your list. We're gonna, you can this stuff here, I'm gonna take this box right here out. You can leave that if you want to, you know, make it look what you're gonna use it for, make it suit your preferences. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this red X, get rid of that. I am going to leave this powered by Aweber email marketing deal here, and you'll notice that this actually goes to Aweber. You can put your affiliate ID right here if you want to get credit for referring people to Aweber, which I highly recommend that you do. I'm going to go ahead and put my Aweber affiliate ID right here. So my ID is 313519, and that's just my personal Aweber affiliate ID. I'm going to go ahead and hit save right there and leave the alignment just like it is. So now you'll notice if I put right here, that's going to go to my Aweber so that I get credit for referring to somebody to Aweber if a person decided to sign up for Aweber through this link. And then in the footer down here, you'll notice here you can hit edit. You can type some more text in right there. I'm gonna choose to not use this part. If you want to, you can type in text right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the footer on this particular web form. And then right here where it says submit, I'm going to change the wording for that right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it says edit. I'm going to delete this out and type in click here to get the report. And that's a little too long, so I'm going to go ahead and backspace here and click here to get report. We'll see what that looks like. That looks a lot better, so I'm going to leave it like that. So basically I'm going to save that right there. One more thing here, I'm just going to add a little bit of nope, wrong one there. I'm going to edit this again. I'm going to put an exclamation point right here to add a little bit to that. So now and the person will enter their name and email on whatever page or blog that I decide to put this form on. This is just for example purposes. You're going to want to make this suit what you're doing, where you're going to put it and everything. And then after they enter their name and email, the person will click here to get report. They're going to click this button, and that's going to take them to the next page, whatever you set your form up to be redirected to. They'll go to that, and then if you have double opt-in set up, they're going to get an email saying to verify that they opted into the list. So we're going to go on to the next step now. We're going to go ahead and click here, Save Web Form. And while that's saving, so it should be about done here. We're going to go on to the next step just as soon as this is done saving right here. And this is taking a little bit longer to save than what I'm normally used to. Okay, there we go. So that's saved. Now we're going to go on to the next step. We're going to scroll down here. And right now my computer's catching up to me, and I think it's because I'm recording this video for you. It's taking a little bit more memory, so we'll give it some time here and we should be able to move on. Okay, here we go. And yep, something went wacko on me there, but that's alright. So here we go. We're going on to step 2. Go to step 2 here. Form name. I'm just going to call this free report. Thank you page. This is where you can what I usually do is use my own custom URL. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that right now. I'm going to see if I can find it here. For right now, I'm just going to type in my personal website here. This is obviously not what I'm plan on using on this form, but we'll just do it for example reasons. So http jeremydropple.com, and I'm going to choose to have it open in a new window. And if the person's already subscribed, I'm going to have it also go to the same site. So here we go. Free reports, the name of the form. Thank you page is going to go to this page. You'll set it up to go to whatever page you want to if you choose this option. Already subscribed page right here, it's going to go to that page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Web Form again. And there it's saved already, a lot faster than the last time. We're going to go to step 3. And then I'm going to choose I will install my form, and this is going to give you the HTML code, so you don't have to know any HTML. We're just going to go here and hit raw HTML version, and it's going to give us this HTML, and all we're going to do is go ahead and see when as soon as I clicked right there, it highlighted all of it for me. So I'm going to right click that, hit copy, and then we're going to go to our blog or website, wherever we're able to enter the HTML code to put the form in, and we're going to paste that form into that area, and then it's going to put that web form right there. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped. We'll be doing another video real soon, going on to the next steps of where I put this form right here. So take care and God bless. This is Jeremy Dropple, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.